Welcome to Work in Process, a monthly video series that shares the biggest updates from the process industry across Europe and the US. I'm your host, Kane van Heiningen, Consulting Service Associate here at Coalesce Management Consulting, the process industry consultant that provides engineering and project management services on process investments projects on a global scale. Today, we will once again share some of the most significant developments of the electric vehicle battery industry across Europe and the United States. For our first story, Volkswagen has reported plans of investing approximately 180 billion euros in battery production and raw material sourcing over the next 5 years. One of the key drivers for this plan is to drive down the general cost of electric vehicles. A key component in this initiative is the intended launch of the affordable electric car by 2025, which currently costs about 25,000 euros. Another key component of this initiative is a rumored plant in North America, which would also benefit from the Inflation Reduction Act. The recently adopted American legislation makes North America a bit more attractive than Europe for the next giga location, as it reportedly would grant Volkswagen funding of between $9 and $10 billion. An anonymous source within Volkswagen that is familiar with the decision-making process recently stated, "We still intend on building within Europe, but we need the right framework conditions. That's why we're waiting to see what the EU Green Deal will bring us. Only then will Volkswagen consider moving forward with plans to build a battery cell plant in Eastern Europe." Plans in North America have progressed faster than expected and have overtaken the decision-making process within Europe. For a second story, Amprius will be building a 775,000 square foot facility in Bryan, Colorado. After careful consideration of 3 states, the chosen location offered the undeniable benefits of already having a 1.3 million square foot existing factory site equipped with the electric power and structural layout, as well as being in close proximity to essential materials. Although the initial phase will build towards 500 megawatt hours, the entirety of the initial footprint will build towards 5 gigawatt hours. With its trademark high-performance silicon anode lithium-ion batteries, Amprius will use this production capacity increase to serve its strong global customer demand. Dr. Kang Sun, CEO of Amprius Technology, stated, "The selection of Colorado for our gigawatt-scale factory marks an important milestone for Amprius. We work closely with the state of Colorado, the Colorado Economic Development Commissions, Adams County, and the city of Bryan to align on terms that are mutually beneficial and include a comprehensive incentive proposal. Increasing production to meet the substantial market demand for our breakthrough silicon anode lithium-ion technology remains priority, and we are confident that this factory will allow us to scale and effectively serve the electric mobility market." For our third and last story, Honda and LG Energy Solution will officially engage in a new joint venture EV battery plant location in Fayette County near Jeffersonville, Ohio. Together, the companies are planning to invest around $3.5 billion in the new facility. The overall investment is projected to reach around $4.4 billion, which could also in part be promised aids from the Inflation Reduction Act. Once the facility is completed and fully operational in 2024, it should grant around 2,200 jobs and 40 gigawatt hours in production capacity. The JV company will deliver lithium-ion batteries with cutting-edge technology to support Honda's plan to build battery electric vehicles in North America. In relation to the JV, Honda also plans to invest $700 million to retool several of its existing auto and powertrain plants in Ohio for additional production of electric vehicles. This additional production will utilize the batteries made at the new JV facility. Honda plans to begin production and sales of Honda EVs in North America by 2026. As part of its goal to reach carbon neutrality for all its products and corporate activities by 2050, Honda has a vision to make battery electric and fuel cell electric vehicles represent 100% of its vehicle sales by 2040. These were the biggest updates from the process industry across Europe and the US. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a comment, and a share. If you have advanced engineering projects coming up, CMC provides engineering, construction, and project management services to help you deliver your project under budget and on time. For more information, please visit www.expertisedeliver.com or reach out directly to me on LinkedIn. I'm Kane van Heiningen, this has been Work in Process, and see you again next month.